Hello and welcome to all. In a last video of the mathematical logic, we have discussed examples related to MCQ pattern, that is ZEE pattern. In this video, we are going to discuss some more examples related to ZEE pattern. Let's see new type of example. Here is the proposition this is options are given tautology, contradiction, contingency. What is given here? P and Q and with negation P or negation of Q. And answer of this we can guess by constructing the truth table of the given statement pattern. And we all know how to construct truth table. Just see the number of letters. Number of statements are P and Q. Don't consider negation P and negation. The number of letters are 2. 2 means here we can use number of rows here. Formula 2 raised to n. Here P and Q. So 2 raised to 2 answer is here 4. Horizontal rows are 4. So construct truth table. First statement is P. After that Q. We are constructing the table like this. Okay, this is P, this is Q. After that, negation P, here not, but here is negation P. Then construct the truth table like that for the negation P. After that, negation Q already here. So construct truth table of such this. Then first bracket P and Q. Then this bracket is completed. This bracket negation P or with negation Q. I am giving numbers like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And last column means whole this type right here. So I am giving example number vertical column number 7 as first bracket means already here means 5. Here symbol is and whole the bracket given number 6. Okay. This is a truth table. 1, number first, number second, number third, number 4. There are 4 rows. Number of rows are 4. In first entry, we have to write double T, double F. In second entry, TF, TF. Here, first should be start with double T, double F. After that, TF, TF. Negation of P. Here is a P. And here negation P 3. Just observe for completion of this vertical column negation P, we have to observe number 1 double T instead of this double F. Here instead of double F it is a double T. This is about vertical column 3. Number 4, for number 4 what is here? Negation of Q. Negation of Q, but Q column is in second. Make the negation of all the entries. Negation of T is here F. Negation of F here T. Negation of T F. Negation of F it is T. Okay. Now see number 5. What is number 5? Number 5 gives P and Q. P means column first. Q means column second. And they are connected with and. And means we know the truth table for and conjunction if P and Q. What is the truth table for this? I have given one trick there. T and T result is T, otherwise F. Otherwise F. Just find it. Double T. T result is T. Here double T not here. Double T not here, double T not here. All the entries fill with F. Okay. Now over to number 6. What is number 6? Number 6 contains negation of P. So column number 3. Negation of Q. Column number 4. And they are connected with OR. Use for this OR. What is rule for OR? P or Q. What is the rule for OR? F or F. Result is F. If double F are here, result is F, otherwise T. Otherwise T. Come like this from top to bottom. Here double F, result is F. Here double F, not here, not here, not here. Will be all T. Now it remains to fill last column, column number 7. What is column number 7? Column number 7 is just here, see the 5th number column, 6th number column, they are connected with and we know the result for and. Here is it and. What is the result for and? Double T, it is T. Double T here, not here. Here, not. Here also not, here also not. If both are T, result is T. Otherwise, F. All the entries are in F. Thus, we have completed the last column. Observe all the entries. What are the entries? All are F. First F, second F, third is F. All entries are F. Hence, it is a contradiction. Okay. Means what? If such type of question asked in exam, so try to construct this type of truth table, and from this truth table we can guess the last column. Observe the last column. If all the entries are F, then it is a contradiction. If all the entries are T, then it is a tautology. If there is neither tautology nor contradiction, then obviously it is a contingency. Okay, same type of example here it is given. I have given written here 2 more examples which are similar to 7. I am changing this part only. Okay, what will be the next question? Next question is the proposition negation P or Q double implies with P implies Q is. Okay, is options are same. A, B, C, D, one and the same. For the answer of this, we have to construct the same type of truth table. You can also check the answer of this, but I am going to solve this here. What is statement? Negation P or with Q, double implies with P implies with Q. Okay, so let us construct the truth table. Just observe the number operator here, P and Q. Here P, after that Q. Okay, then observe negation P. Yes, here it is. Negation Q, not here, so not need to write here. After that, first bracket, negation P or with Q. Then last bracket, P implies with Q. Okay, I am giving numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Column number 6 contain combination of these two. Combination of these two means what? First bracket, name is given here 4. Connected with double implies here, double implies written. And this bracket is here, mean 5. Okay, so number 1, number 2, number 4. First column P, double T, double F. Here TF, TF. Negation of P. Here negation of P. But P is here. All the negation of vertical. Double T, double F, double F, double T. Okay. Now column number 4. What is column number 4? Negation of P means column number 3. Q, column number 2. And they are connected with OR. What is the result for OR? Result for OR is P or Q. It is a disjunction. Double F. Result is F. Just observe whether double F here, not. Here, yes, it is a double F. If it is double F, then it is F. Here double F, not here. Fill all entries with T, T and T. Okay. Now go to vertical column number 5. What is vertical column number 5 here? Which is one? P implies with Q. P implies with Q. Okay. P means column number first. Q column number second. Go here now and apply. Which one? Implies. What is the rule for implies? T implies F. T implies F. Result is F. Otherwise T. Otherwise T. This is the main rule for this type of notation. It is implication. TF here not. Here it is TF. Result is F. Here TF not. Here not. Fill all entries with T. Okay. Now concentrate. See here. Column number now 6. What is the column number 6? 6 says 4 and 5. 4 means column number 4. 5, column number 5, and they are connected with double implies. What is the rule for double implies? We know P double implies Q, double T, double F, double F, double F, double T, double F. For this, result is T. Just observe. If double T, result is T. If double F, result is T. Otherwise F. Okay. Observe now. Column number 5. Column number 4 and 5. Keep like this and come from top to bottom. Double T, yes, result is T. Double F, yes, result is T. Double T, yes, result is T. Double T, yes, result is T. Now see the last column. Last column is the last column. All the entries are T, 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 T. Hence, the given statement pattern is a tautology. Okay. Same type of example, same type of statement is given. This example, third number example now, I am giving here, replacing this by P and with Q implies with negation P. Okay. Now, and options are same one. I am taking only one type of example. Examples related to given, whether the given statement pattern is only tautology, contradiction or contingency. We are completing this part only. So we are going to discuss this example. P and with Q implies with negation P. Here is a no shortcut method for finding whether it is a tautology, contradiction and contingency. We must construct the truth table. So I am giving detailed tricks how to construct truth table. Okay. Just of the statement, how many letters are here? Only 2. Here P, Q. Negation P, yes, it is given. So here negation P. Okay. After that, first bracket, P and Q. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all are this. P and with Q implies with negation of P. Here we all know double T, double F. This is first one, second one, third and fourth. Double T, double F. Second, TF, TF. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now column number 3. Yes, negation of P. Double T, use double F. Double F, use double T. Okay. Now column number 4. What is column number 4? P, make tick here. Q, make again tick here. And they are connected with and. Connected with here and. What is the rule for this and? T and T result is T. Otherwise what? F. Just observe here. Yes, double T here. T and T result is T. Here double T, not here, not here, not here. Fill with all F. Okay. Now last column, number 5th. Here P and Q, column number 4. Negation P, column number 3. But there is a implies sign. Implies sign we know. P implies Q. What is the result? T implies F. Result is F. T implies F. Not F implies T. T implies F. And this arrow goes from this part to other. So first bracket is in 4. So I am drawing arrow like this. And we have to use same trick. T F result is F. From this T F result is F. Here T F not here. Here from this to this. But our rule is T F not here. Here also not. Means fill all the entries with what? T. Thus we complete the last column. And from the last column, observe here. All the entries are not as a T. All the entries not as a T means it is not tautology. Here not all F. Option B is also not correct. Means A option not, B option not. But just combination of T and F. And this gives a example. That is answer is a contingency. Okay. These are examples more important. New type is here. We are going to discuss the new type now. What is here question? Minimum number of columns. See this part. Minimum number of columns for the truth table of the statement. Okay. This point is more important. Okay. In this mathematical logic, generally for the tautology, contradiction, contingency, we have to construct the truth table of the given statement pattern. And I have given detailed information about that. Okay, some tricks are there also. But in this, how many rows, how many columns are there? Question is like this: minimum number of columns for the construction of this the statement pattern. How many column number 1, column number 2, how many columns are there, and how we can decide it? So I am giving shortcut method. Number of columns is calculated by number of columns is calculated by just observe number of letters. Here number of letters, statements, number of statement plus number of connectives. This is a shortcut method to guess how many vertical columns are there. Observe here P, here Q, but P is repeating. Don't take repeating part. P, Q and R. There are 3 number of statements are 3 plus number of connectives. Number of connectives are, this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Here just observe, these are connective. Double implies double in twice. So take 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus 2, 3. Answer is 6. So answer of this question is here option number first. That means there must be a number of minimum number of columns 6. Okay, this is a text. Same type of question is here. See question number 2. What is question number 2? The minimum number of columns for, I am giving here statement, this one. P and negation Q implies with, P implies with. Options are not given. Once we get this technique, not need to find all the options here. Use only this trick. Okay. Observe the number of letters. Number of letters P double. Don't take as a double. P and Q. There are 2. So here write number of letters are 2. Okay. And connectives are here. This is 1. Okay. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. 4 plus 2. Answer is 6. So answer of this number of columns for such type of statement patterns must be 6. Okay. Now see answer of this. Okay. See here. For this statement pattern, how many statements are here? P, yes. Q, yes. Okay. Negation, don't take negation P. Negation Q, only 2 letters are here, just here 2. And now connectives. How many connectives are here? Negation 1, here 2, and this is also connectives 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Hence, this statement pattern also having minimum number of columns 6. Okay. Thus, if we construct any type of truth table of the given statement, we must know these number of columns can be calculated by using this number of letters plus number of connectives. Okay. Now, same type of question is here. Number of rows for construction of example number first, example number second, example number third. Okay. In this example, we have discussed number of how many vertical columns are there. In this examples, what is rule? And I have also given so many examples to you for construction for the truth table, and I have given tricks also. Number of rows calculated by this formula 2 raised to what? N. This is a important formula. N means what? Number of letters here. For this example, P and Q, P, Q, and here are 3 means 2 raised to 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4 to the 8 means for the construction of this truth table, we must construct the rows, number of rows are 8. Okay, means what? Suppose here P, here Q, here R. Okay. Okay. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay. After that, negation P, not here. Negation Q, not here. Okay. But here now we are discussing number of rows. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 times T, 4 times F. Okay. If the 3 letters are given, P, Q, and R, for P, 4 times T and 4 times F. For Q, double T, double F. Don't start with double F. Double T, double F. Here also, double T, double F. Okay. Double T, double F. And here, double T, double F, double T, double F. Okay. So, this is about Q. About R, TF, 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 TF. These are 3 basic vertical columns. And after this, number of vertical columns can be find for column for this PRQ. Then column for this PR with R. Then by combining this, we'll get this also column. So here question is how many rows? We are discussing number of rows is calculated by this, and our answer is number of rows are 8. Same technique used for question number second. Second example here. Number of rows for the construction of this P, Q, R here. Again 3 letters. 3 letters means again same answer. There are 8 like this for P, 4 times T, 4 times F. P, Q, R, you can construct same type of truth table. Now the last example we are discussing here, what is P and Q implies with negation P. How many letters are there? Only two. Here are not here, means here instead of this use here 2. 2 twos are here 4. Means what? For the construction of truth table, how many number of rows? Number of rows will be 4 here. For P and Q, we know P, Q, okay, double T, double F. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. These are horizontal, 4 vertical rows for the construction of this. And we can complete this truth table, but our question is only find the number of rows. Thus we have seen some more types in the video, that is JAA pattern MCQ. In the next video we will see next another types of the example on the same mathematical logic, that means JAA pattern MCQ part 3. Okay, thank you.